Hey, how are you guys? Angelo here, I Go Web Solution. Quick video lesson. The topic for today is going to be how to make 200 to 1000 in 2 hours in the stock market. Is it possible? Yes, it is. Can you lose money? Yes, but it's calculated risk and reward using auto sell. No more than 10 to 12% is what I recommend. I mean, you can always shoot for 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 risk and reward ratio is the goal. So that's the goal when you're trading in the stock market. What do you need? Obviously, you're gonna need money to buy and sell. A broker, a broker, commission-free broker. What I recommend usually is Charles Schwab. They have a desktop version, professional version. A lot of professionals use this type of broker because they have TOS. It's called Thinkorswim. It's where you buy and sell fast. They also have a lot of different qualities like scanners, all those things. What I also recommend is Webull. It's a good broker. I like their mobile app. They also have the desktop version, which is in depth. It's pretty good. A simple strategy and checklist is what you need also. Obviously, your dedication and discipline. I can show you the strategy, but your dedication and discipline is, you know, it's within you. You gotta have it when you want to make money in the market. I recommend trading 6 to 8 or 7 to 9 a.m. Because that's basically is the most volume in the market based on the data that we've seen in the last couple of years, 5 to 10 years, I would say. Yeah, there's always movers in the stock market. There's always 20, 30, 50, 100, 200% movers. All you have to do is extract 25, 30, 50, 100. It can go to 1,000% sometimes. Yeah, I just want to measure the movements in the market. Just want to show you the opportunity. Like right here, all you need is 25 to 30% move over here. Um, Another one right here is 25 to 30% again right here. So these type of moves is the only thing that you need in the market basically. You get in, you get your profit, you get out. That's the goal. You can make 200 to 1,000 in 2 hours in the stock market. It's you just gotta know what you're doing. Like I said, all you need is a simple strategy and a checklist. I can show it to you, but ultimately your dedication and discipline is what plays out. So that's the video lesson for today, guys. I hope this helps. The stock market is always gonna be there, and just keep learning. And I'll see you guys on the next video.